Alright, hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create the Hello World program in C# using Visual Studio 2022. So this version is using Mac, but it's gonna be pretty much the same if you using a Windows operating system. Okay, so when you run the Visual Studio, you're gonna see the greeting window, something like this, and then you gotta click on new. That's gonna be new program you're gonna try to write, right? And you're gonna click app over here, and that's a list of the different template you're gonna use for the program. So in this course, and we use specifically console application. So click on here, and if that's not C#, you may change it into C#, and then click continue. All right, so the target framework gonna be the highest one, so 7.0. We're gonna skip this one and continue. All right, so now you can name the project. So I gonna name it Hello World, and you also see that it automatically named the solution name exactly the project name. Okay, very important point here that the location of the project, you can select different ones. So this one gonna be the default in the username, T-Train project. You can select using browser to select different folder. Okay, but the key thing here is that you need to know where the project have been stored, because later on you need to go into that folder and you zip the whole solution folder and upload to the Dropbox. So make sure you know how to navigate to the location of the project folder. Okay, all right. So create. Once you click this one, you're gonna see something like this. Okay, so C# is very good at creating a template for you. So you can see the console right line hello world. So this automatically create a template. So you can click over here to see get more formal structure of the program. This one they've been hiding, but you can click over here, just create a more formal of the class of the program, and so the main function over here, so you can see something like this. Okay, so again click in here, you can add some more, get a instructive command for your program, but just keep it minimal so it's not get distracted. Okay, all right, so I think once you do that, the code and the structure program have been created, and then you just run the program by clicking over here, execute it. All right, so what happened, actually the code have been compiled and executed, and you see a very flashing the console just display over here and disappear. This is because this one right here, this one execute, and it's gonna be disappear very fast, right? So in order to see the output, we're gonna add a little bit more over here, console read line. Okay, so basically this command over here gonna ask the program to wait for you to enter a key from the keyboard. Okay, so the program or the output from here not gonna disappear, but waiting for you to enter any key from the keyboard before it disappear. Okay, so let's run it again. All right, so now you see the output right here, hello world. That's gonna be the output of this first over here, and this one not disappear because the program are waiting for you to enter a key from the program, right? So all right, so here once you hit enter, for example, or hit any key, this one gonna disappear because this one have been executed and the program gonna terminate it. Alright, so I think that's all for the very first one. So here I assume that you already installed the Visual Studio successfully. If you have any issue when installing the Visual Studio, please refer to the instruction and make sure you install it correctly. And finally, just a few of the important items when you write the first code. Just pay attention to the bullet point I list over here. I think that's all for now. Thank you very much.